Why do the forest of Shimla turn so silent at night? An old well where people say cries can still be heard. Is there really a witch trapped inside that well? Or is it just a rumor? Tonight, we open the door to this dark secret. But the question is, are you ready? Shimla is famous for its mountains, snow, and beauty during the day. But at night, the same place becomes dark and terrifying. In the middle of the deep forest, there is an old stone well known as the Witch's Well. Local people say that at night, a woman in a white dress rises from the well and calls travelers. Whoever goes near never returns. Our stories follows three friends. Jewel, travel vlogger, a brave but overconfident boy who run a YouTube channel about haunted places. Ima, camera girl, sensitive, emotional and easily scared. Jack, sound guy, funny, practical and doesn't believe in a ghost at all. Devil hears about the witch's well and decided to film his next vlog there. At night, all three enter the forest with torch and cameras. The road is empty, the wind is cold, and every sound of trees feels scary. Ima whispers, Jewel, I don't think this is safe. Let's go back. Devil laughs. Don't be scared, Ima. Goose doesn't exist. This will be our best video. Jack shakes his head and jokes. If a ghost really comes, I will ask for a selfie. But they had no idea this night would change everything. Finally, they reached the well. It was old, broken, and covered with moss. The water inside looked black, as if it has no bottom. Suddenly, Ima hears the sound of a woman crying coming from inside the well. Ima, did you hear that? Someone is crying. Jack laughed. It's just the wind, Ima. Relax. Devil looks into the water for 1 second. He sees a woman face inside, pale, sad, staring back at him. Suddenly, an old man with a stick appears from the forest. He shouts, Fools! What are you doing here? This place is cursed. The witch lives inside this well. If she sees you, you are dead. Devil asks him to explain. The old man says, Many years ago, villagers threw a woman into this well, accusing her of black magic. She died, but her spirit never left. She still waits for revenge. Ima gets scared and begs Devil to leave, but Devil and Jack doesn't believe him. While recording near the well, Ima suddenly sees through her camera a woman in a white dress standing on the water. But when she lowers the camera and looks with her own eyes, no one is there. Ima screams, I'm not crazy. I saw her with my own eyes. Jack laughs. You really need to take some rest. To get proof, Devil ties his camera to a rope and lowers it into the well. The screen shows only darkness at first. Then suddenly, two red glowing eyes appear, staring into the camera. The rope starts pulling down by itself, as if someone inside is dragging it. The camera falls into the water and the connection cuts off. Cold wind starts blowing. Ima cries in fear. We should leave. Something is wrong. Jack still jokes, but suddenly he feels a cold breath on his neck. He quickly turns around. A woman's hand is on his shoulder. Jack screams and runs. Devil and Ima follows him, but the forest feels endless and darker. Suddenly, Jack lifted into the air by an individual force. He struggles shouting, Devil, help me! His body flies and falls straight into the black water of the well. The water splashes red as if mixed with blood. Ima faints. Devil tries to wake Ima, but then he sees her. The witch climbs out of the well wearing a torn white dress. Her hair is long and messy, her eyes blood red, her mouth torn open. She smiles at Devil and whispers, Now you will stay with me forever. Devil screams, but no one can hear him in the deep forest. Next morning, villagers find Imma laying unconscious near the well, but Devil and Jack never found again. People says their souls are trapped inside the well with the witch. Even today, if you go near the witch's well at night, you can hear devils and Jack screaming from inside. And no one who follows those screams ever comes back alive.